Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and I'm here with CJ, the Senior VP of Sales and Marketing at Golden Technologies. And what we're going to do today is tell you a little bit about Golden Technologies lift chairs, talk about the quality of the builds, the warranties, and more importantly, the different zone options that each of the Golden Technology lift chairs come in. There's several different options to choose from, and what better person than CJ to explain and touch on a little bit of those things for each of the zone options. So CJ, do you want to maybe talk about what we're looking at here?
Absolutely, Sergio. So this is our half chair. So if we cut a chair in half and showed you the inside of a chair, this is exactly what you would see. The most important thing here is that our chair frame, the wood frame, which has a lifetime warranty, is built out of northern maple kiln-dried wood. And that's really important for longevity, quality, and long-term support. We're showing our metal frame here, which is also featuring a lifetime warranty. So if you ever have a problem with either the wood frame or the metal frame, we've got that covered absolutely for life.
And not to mention, these chairs come with a 1-year in-home service agreement. So if something does go wrong, as long as it's approved with the warranty claim department, we're going to come to your home or dispatch a technician if you're not in our local coverage area. You won't have to pay out of pocket for that labor to have the unit fixed within the first year. And I've been shopping for recliners before. CJ, I'm sure you could agree that you can easily spend $3,000 to $5,000 on a recliner at a typical furniture store that's not going to have anywhere near the quality of a Golden Technology product.
Absolutely not. A lot of times they cover the wood with fabric, so you can't even tell what kind of wood that they built the chair out of. With us, you can see it, you can feel it, you can touch it, and you can count on it.
Well said. The energy here is amazing. Everybody truly enjoys working here. They're working hard to make products quality, and they do serious quality control. I don't know if you want to talk about that, but I got a tour of the facility and I saw the quality control section. There were people, every single product that's going out is getting quality tested. I also remember they said something about the padding in the seats is stitched right into the whole piece as opposed to having individual pieces, so the padding's not going to shift around over time, right?
Sergio, that's a great point. You can see right from the back of the chaise, this is called the chaise lounge, from the back all the way to the end of the footrest, this is one continuous piece of foam. Now, you can see it looks like it's a separate piece, but we've actually sewn, put a seam line here. We've also got one here, and then we've got one on the back. So that's one piece of foam that's sewn in 3 places. And as you said, that's going to make sure that foam doesn't shift, it stays in place, and it always provides the comfort that you expect for years to come.
For the years and years to come. And I saw the seamstresses out there. There's a ton of people out there. Like I said, all of their employees are here in the United States, which it's awesome. I mean, there's no other company that's, not just simply importing it straight from overseas. You guys have an awesome setup here, and I really believe in these products.
Sergio, you also have what we call Dacron in the back, and a lot of companies use Dacron, but Golden uses a high-density Dacron, and it's thicker and blown in heavier because we want that to last, and we don't want it to shift. So Dacron is used in a lot of chairs, but we really fill our backs. So over time, that Dacron remains supportive and keeps you comfortable for years to come.
So would you mind maybe telling us what these different zone options mean? Because we're going to be going over a lot of different products on our YouTube channel, and I want everybody to know what the possibilities are with the zones 1 through 5.
Sure, absolutely. So all of our chairs have either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 zones. Okay, each zone is controlled by an individual motor. So for example, a 1-zone chair controls both the lower body and the upper body with 1 motor. A 2-zone chair gives you the option to take advantage of our patented Maxi Comfort, which has 1 motor for the lower body and 1 motor for the upper body. A 3-zone chair is going to have both zones 1, 2, as well as 3, which is a motor that controls the head and neck positioning. When you add a 4th zone to the chair, you're going to have a power motor for lumbar support and control. A 5-zone chair is going to have all 4 of the first zones plus a tilt system that allows you to bring your feet up above your heart, and you can customize your lumbar, you can customize your headrest, you can customize your back angle as well as your feet. So a 5-zone chair is going to have absolutely everything it is that we have to offer.
That's awesome. So why don't we demonstrate the different zones with this model here that's powered in and talk about the buttons on the remote and how they all work.
So you can see the remote here, and the individual motors are controlled by the back arrows the foot arrows or the tilt arrow. Then we have arrows for head and then the arrows for the lumbar. So if I go ahead and I press any of these buttons, I'm going to control that particular area. Right now I'm lowering the chair from the lifted position, and then I'm going to go into a recline position. But this auto drive hand control gives you the ability to individually control any of your comfort zones, but it also gives you the ability to memorize your favorite position when you find your favorite comfort position. And that's what the ZG, TV, sit, and rejuve buttons provide. We pre-program those positions for you at our factory, but if you want to find a new position that you like more, you can reprogram it and you can save it so you never forget where that position was.
So kind of like a car seat that has the memory positions for him and her, right?
Exactly.
If you're sharing a car with your significant other. Exactly.
And if you prefer just to use 2 buttons to control the chair, the top 2 buttons allow you to use probably 85% of what the chair has to offer. So if somebody's learning to use the chair, but they really want to spend time and have individual control and access to all the motors, but they want to start slowly and work into it, this system allows you to do that as well.
So just to recap, if you get a zone 1, you basically have the ability to go from the reclined position, the seated position, or the lifted position. When you add the zone 2, you're able to independently control the backrest.
That's correct.
And then zone 3, you're able to independently control the headrest.
Exactly.
With zone 4, you've got the lumbar, which is the green motor here, which if you want to demonstrate that really quick, it's another step up. So the higher you go up in the zones, the more independent control you have for the chair, being the headrest, the lumbar, the leg rest being independently controlled, and then finally the zero gravity or twilight, which allows you to basically bring your feet all the way up to the point where they're inverted kind of, and the blood flow goes away from your feet. So if you're on your feet a lot like me, I would imagine if you have swollen ankles, swollen feet, you put it into the zero gravity mode, now you're getting blood flow away from the feet and helping reduce that swelling, right?
That's right, and anybody can benefit from that. There's actually yoga positions that are inversion positions that we all want to try to get in. But hey, let's face it, we all know it's not easy to get in that position. And if you can be in your recliner that you're in already that has that position for you on a hand control, why not just be healthy in your recliner?
That's awesome. All right, so we're going to demonstrate the straight lift feature on that lift chair over here. You can get that on pretty much any of the lift chairs that we offer, and it doesn't cost anything extra. So most lift chairs, as you know, when you have it in the upright lifted position, it tilts forward and lifts. So when you're getting in and out of the chair, that backrest could be in the way, and for some people it might be uncomfortable or it might be difficult with balance issues. You can see with my feet down low here, it's going to be a different position to get in and out of the chair. So when you're getting in or out, the backrest is kind of forward, causing you to kind of tilt forward a little bit. And for some users, that could be a little bit difficult or uncomfortable. Now on the straight lift, it does not tilt forward. It actually just goes straight up. So for some people, this is going to be a better option, especially if you're really tall or if you have balance issues. So as you can see with the chair lifted vertically, it's a totally different way to get in and out of the chair. So for someone like myself, I'm about 6 foot tall. I'm not bending my knees as much. I'm kind of just falling into it. And then as I start to hit the recline or the down button, I could just kind of slide into it, and the backrest is not in my way. So it's a totally different way to get in and out of the chair. It's a different lifting system, and I just wanted to demonstrate that for you. So again, this is the straight lift option, and it's available straight from the factory. You can choose it on our custom options section of our lift chair pages. So if you want that feature, you can order it right on our website or give our non-commissioned sales experts a call, and they'll walk you through the process of how to order it with the straight lift feature. Thanks for watching.